more times?
Yeah, I'll catch the whole thing. Wait. Okay.
I think we have to take time from here.
26.
Like the x-axis where it lands. Okay, so we have to measure the distance. What do you mean distance? We have to measure the distance from yeah, so after it lands. Yeah, okay, let's do it. You're in our way.
Hold on.
Toe.
Move toe.
No, I'm recording me now.
Toaster.
Toaster. Okay, stop again.
So that is 76.5, whatever units this is. I believe it's inches. No, it is not straight. Yes. So,
That is 34.5.
What? 34 and 2 lines. What is 2 lines?
1, 2,
Set.
3.
So we did our calculations. We started in inches, so we converted to meters. And then we calculated the time with the y equation and got our x velocity, since the y velocity is 0. And that's it.